Shalom YouTube, this is your Ak, Yah is Magnified, coming back with a very informative video. This video is titled Conditions. So with that being said, let's get to the subject matter. Okay guys, as I stated before, and I will always state that I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. So all my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. If you guys need my help, hit me up in my email and make the donation and we'll get the ball rolling. Okay? But now let's get to the topic. Okay guys, so this is a gentleman. He's in court for a purge hearing and he didn't make the complete purge hearing. So the judge had did something in his favor for him. But if he don't produce, then it's in his favor for them. Okay guys? So with that being said, let's get to the video.
Seat right over there, please.
Okay, we are here in case number 07PA0152, Sheila J. Gosnell versus Eric S. Gosnell. Mr. Gosnell is here today and proceeding without counsel. Ms. Gosnell is not here, though she was notified of the hearing. Child Support Enforcement Agency is represented by Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Nick Buckmeyer. We're here today on a continuation of the purge period in order dated March 21st of this year. Mr. Buckmeyer.
Thank you, Your Honor. In order to purge his contempt and avoid serving 4 days in the Medina County Jail, the court ordered Mr. Gosnell to pay $2,748 even. Of that, he paid $2,289.02, which includes an $800 payment made yesterday. That represents about 83% of the money due during the purge period.
Okay, Mr. Gosnell, could you please rise and raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, be seated. What about the shortfall?
My employment didn't come in when I thought it did, but I got full employment 2 weeks ago, and I gave my whole check, and I asked to have a few more days. I could have it paid in full. My boss really wants me to work for him.
Can you have it paid in full by next Friday?
If I could have 2 weeks, please. Because I get paid every 2 weeks.
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Since I gave you an opportunity to catch up and you didn't quite make it, I'm going to have to find that you didn't purge the contempt, and I'm going to order that you serve the 4 days in the Medina County Jail. However, I'm going to order that you report 2 weeks from today at 4 p.m. If, in the meantime, you bring the account 100% current and you notify the prosecutor's office and they can verify that, then I will suspend the jail sentence and find that you purged. Okay, so you have your 2 weeks.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, so as you guys can see, the judge, the guy didn't make the purge, but the judge let him off for 2 weeks with conditions. So he must meet those conditions. If not, then he's in jail for 2 weeks. You see? For 4 days. So he have 2 weeks to meet those conditions. If he come back to court with 2 weeks and he haven't met those conditions, then he'll go to jail for 4 days. Okay? So just like these people can offer you guys conditions, you guys can also do the same. You see? So, to modify the contract, because that's what the conditions are. Conditions is to modify a contract. So you just, the rules are the same on both sides of the field, guys. If they can do that to you, then you can do that to them. It's the same on both sides of the field. Not one is no more greater than the next. You guys got to know what you're doing. And once you know what you're doing, then, hey, the playing field is level. It's even. And then, you guys have a say-so in what's going on. But to go even deeper, hold on, let's go. Okay, guys. You guys know what time it is. Let's hit this Black Law Dictionary real quick to get more understanding. Okay, guys. It says conditions. Conditions. A future and uncertain event upon the happenings of which is made to depend the existence of an obligation. Okay? Then it says, or that which subordinates the existence of liabilities under a contract to a certain future event. That what we just saw, guys. The lady granted this man an additional 2 weeks, on upon the conditions that he bring that account up to standards and he meet the purge. If not, then he will be in jail for an additional 4 days. The guy agreed, and that was it. So he have 2 weeks to bring that account standing. So I hope he make that, since he already got himself in that bind. But let's continue to go down further. It says civil law, the rank, situation, or degree of the particular person in some one of the different orders of society, right? But let's continue. It says an agreement or stipulation in regards to some uncertain future event, not of the essential nature of the transaction, but annexed to it by the parties, providing for a change or modification of their legal relations upon this occurrence. You see that, guys? And that's the case law right there. But you see that? So you can change or modify the contract, upon the conditions. Okay? That's it. That's all, man. You guys can do this. If you guys need my help, hit me up. Hey, hit my email up, and we'll make the donation, and then we get the ball started. Okay, guys? But look, we're gonna just keep this thing moving. It's the month of October. October's a beautiful month, man. Big things gonna happen in October. So shout out to that, man. October's a beautiful month, man. I got things coming in the near future, man. Keep y'all eyes open. I got more to come in the near future. Believe me, keep y'all eyes open. So, like I stated before, man, if they can do it on their side of the field, then you can do it on your side of the field. Not one person is higher than the other. We can all do the same thing. We can do them how they do us, if you guys know how to do it. You see? So with that being said, guys, y'all be blessed. Continue to fight. Don't give up. Shalom.